In the introduction to his book, Influence, the Science and Practice, the expert in influence and persuasion, Robert Cialdini, says this: I have not included among the 6 principles the simple rule of material self-interest, that people want to get the most and pay the least for their choices. Because, Cialdini says, it is a given. It goes without saying that people will act out of self-interest. He doesn't need to research it. He doesn't need to describe it in detail. People will always do what they see as being in their own self-interest. If the world expert on influence and persuasion chooses not to include self-interest in his best-selling book on the subject, then why am I including it in my course? Appealing to self-interest obviously works, whether you call it the "what's in it for me" approach or the wham factor, "what about me?" I need to cover it because there are ways to use that principle artfully and with integrity. Simple bribery and inducements will work, of course, and so will threats, but they are not ethical and you should not use them. Self-interest works at 3 levels, and the first level is needs. These are the things that you simply cannot do without. Second is self-image. We all want to be seen as the person that we want to be seen as. And the third level is desires, sometimes transient wishes that we want to see fulfilled. And marketers know how to appeal to all 3 of those levels. You have probably heard the expression FAB: features, advantages, and benefits. And of course, features are important, advantages differentiate your product from its competitors, but it's benefits that really cause people to buy. Each of these 3 things appeals to a different level. Features are the facts and figures about a product or a service. It's the features that address our needs. Advantages make your product or service appear better than its competitors. So advantages appeal to our desire to enhance our self-image. But it's benefits that solve problems and create change. Benefits appeal to our desires. Demonstrating benefits is the route to sales success because they appeal to the deepest, most powerful instinct we have, the desire to get something that we want. The way to appeal to self-interest is simple. Research what I need, research what I want. You can learn about me through questions and listening and conversations, and by researching in other ways, finding out what other people know about me, reading things that I've written, looking at records of what I've said. When you have a good idea of what I need and what I want, you can compare it with what you need and what you want. And in the overlap is where we can successfully influence one another. I can offer things that you want, you can offer things that I want. But if we're working in the overlap, then we both gain. It's easy to influence somebody to think or do something that they consider to be in their self-interest. All you have to do is frame your argument or your request or your offer in terms of the things that they want or need. Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it and learned from it. I'll be creating loads more great management courses content for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And in the meantime, keep learning.